Hi guys, right, I've got a quick video here today just to show you how to do the service light reset on an Audi A4. This is a B7 model, but the same applies to a B6 and the Seat Exeo as well. Right, so my service is not actually due at the minute, so it's not flashing up, but if it is, it will flash straight in the middle here saying service due. I can check mine with the little spanner button there, and it actually says it's due in 6,300 miles. Right, so I'll show you how to do the reset. Simply turn the ignition off, press and hold the spanner button, turn the ignition on, take your hand off the spanner and press and hold the zeros. Now release the button, turn the ignition off, ignition back on. Wait for everything to clear. And if you just check with the spanner button now, you can see that that's been reset. There you go. If you like the video, guys, click subscribe. There's plenty more videos on there help you along. Thanks again. Bye.